So what do you do if you're playing and there's terrible sounds coming out of your fiddle? Well, I'll give you a couple of troubleshooting options here. If you're playing and your sound is really weak, it sounds kind of like that, you need to let the weight of your arm sink into the string a little more. There does need to be a small amount of pressure, which is more like a dropping down of the weight in your arm on the string for it to make a full tone. So try it again with a little bit more in your string. Now, if your bow is crooked or driving crooked as it plays, you will definitely get some odd and not nice sounds. Make sure that your bow is very straight. When you look down at where your bow is, it's hard to tell by looking if your bow is straight. So you may need to practice in front of a mirror or have somebody who can be your eyes and let you know if your bow is crooked or straight and help guide it until you're used to seeing what looks like a straight bow from this vantage point. A crooked bow might look like this. Or like this. It doesn't sound very good. Keeping your bow straight and having just the right amount of pressure are two key ingredients for a beautiful, clear sound. One of the other things that can go wrong is that your bow might end up touching or being too close to the bridge. You can't get a good sound if you're right up against the bridge. That's why you need to be close to it, but still have a little bit of space between your bow and the bridge. The other thing that could be going wrong is that your bow may not have enough rosin on it. If you're wondering about that, why not rosin it up and try again? If your bow still won't make a good sound and it sounds like there's just no sound coming out of it, then perhaps you need to actually get a new bow or a rehair on your bow. That's a whole other issue and one that you need to go see a luthier to fix. Anyway, I hope that you can make beautiful sounds on your violin.